rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
So we have a lot to do today. I'm gonna go ahead and make a checklist while we're here. Okay, this is my list so far. I know you can't read it because of the camera, and I know my hair looks crazy. It's because I took my front part of my hair out of the bun, so it makes it like curly and crinkly and weird. Okay, so I need to edit Vlogmas episode 12. I need to edit Vlogmas episode 13. I need to create Vlogmas episode 12 and 13's thumbnails. I need to post both of those videos. I got some dishes I want to do in the kitchen. I need to edit this vlog tonight. Like, I need to edit as I record. I need to make the thumbnail for this video as well, so gotta remember to take pictures. I have some laundry I want to get done. I want to read a little bit of my book. I want to do Pilates, and I want to record and post TikToks today. I know. It's a lot. Like, it's really a lot that I want to do. And then I kind of also want to DoorDash tonight. I don't know if I'm going to get all of that done. It's going to be a long day. I think in this vlog, you're going to see me do a lot of editing for sure. I am extremely exhausted, and I don't know why. I don't know if I'm just like running. Tired, y'all. Or what I might go do is hang out with her tonight. Let's stir our greens up. Okay, so I'm editing on CapCut, y'all. Day 12. Look at that. 98 minutes of... And then day 13 is just 30 minutes. But like combined, y'all, this is 2 hours worth of footage I have to edit. Which is probably going to take me like, I don't even know. Oh my gosh, that's so much footage, oh my god. That's crazy. That's really, really crazy. So now that we have all of the clips and everything, I'm going to go ahead and create the thumbnail. I also do that on my phone, but I could probably do it on the computer too, but I just do it on my phone. It's just easier. Okay, so I need to restock my, I know this is Cafe Bustelo, but I keep brown sugar in here because my favorite latte to make is like literally just a brown sugar iced oat milk latte. So I got some brown sugar last night from Publix. I need to put that in here. Down below the difference of light brown sugar and dark brown sugar. I always just buy the light brown sugar because like, I don't know. But like, should I be eating, like consuming the dark brown sugar instead? Like, I don't know. I'm genuinely curious, like, I don't know, like what's the difference? I'm gonna make one right now. Off to the coffee bar we go. I know, that was cringy. I kind of want a warm latte. I think I'm gonna make a warm latte today. Hold on. Okay, I still need to get an extension cord, so because I don't have one, I'm gonna have to froth the oat milk over here. I'm literally almost out of oat milk, which is very depressing. So I'm gonna have to go buy some like tomorrow. But we're gonna do that first because it takes forever to froth. So okay, so I usually, sorry, let me pat this down. So I like to break up the big clumps. So I usually just do like 2 spoonfuls of brown sugar. I usually used to use like a tablespoon thing, but I don't know where my tablespoon thing is at. Okay. I'm gonna be using the double espresso Sciro. Honestly, I kind of want to have 4 shots this morning just because, like, I just know it's going to be a day because I have to edit so much. But, like, I know that's probably not a good idea, so I might just make another one later. So, yeah, I'm going to just do 2 shots for now. You want everything to just be, like, ready at the same time. I really want to get into latte art. I really, really do. But yeah, that's my drink. It's literally so simple. That's my drink. It looks so good. Let me take a picture of this. Vlogmas has really made me appreciate my space more. I love my little office area. I built this myself. I'm so proud of it. Like, even though, yeah, it's a little chaotic. I built my husband's too. But even though, yeah, it's a little chaotic, like, I love having a designated office space to, like, edit, do my work for my actual job, sit here, type things up, create my thumbnails. Like, I love having a designated space. I definitely want to decorate it more, but having a designated space to like get shit done is essential in my opinion. It just sorry, so much foam at the top. Perfect. Oh my gosh, if you haven't listened to the entire SZA album, like, what are you doing? I really want to go see her in concert too. Like, I know this is like way sidetracked of what I just said, but like, I want to go see her in concert. She's basically said fuck Florida. She's only coming to Georgia. I really want to go see her. I love so many songs on here, so I'm gonna see if I can get one of my buddies to go with me, because I'm pretty sure my husband doesn't want to go. Like, he doesn't listen to SZA. I know he would go to support, but like, come on, you want to go with somebody who knows the songs and you can vibe out to the songs with. So yeah, I really want to go. Her whole album, oh my gosh, Chef's Kiss, y'all. Like, I just love it. I love the album, so I'm about to listen to that and do a little bit of work for my actual job. Had to pause my SZA music for this, but okay, so I finished the thumbnail for day 12's vlog. It's so cute, isn't it? This is my list. Okay, so I did the thumbnail for 13 and 14. And that's pretty much what I did so far. Okay, so I've been working for the past like 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 3 hours. I'm going to edit now. Okay, so I got the video. I'm still editing. I'm down to 39 minutes. It started at 98. Y'all, I have been editing, chopping it, but like, it's going really good. So I've pretty much knocked out like 90 minutes, like 50 minutes of footage. Happy, y'all. It's at 1%. And I'm about to upload it. What time is it? It's 12:51, and I said I want to have it uploaded by 1, so I'm doing pretty good. A little behind schedule, but yeah. Now it's time to cook, because I'm hungry as hell. I have a headache, but I think it's really that I need to drink some water and I need to eat, because I haven't had food. So I'm going to make like a little omelet, I think. And I wish I had toast, but I don't have toast. I have pita. Guess I could toast that and put some avocado on it. I don't know. We'll see what we come up with. Let's just get it done. I'm actually not going to season my eggs too much. Actually, I think in my eggs, I'm just going to use this everything but the elote seasoning. But yeah, we're cooking. Alright, and then I got the pita in the oven. Put in the eggs, the spinach, toasty, which is exactly what I want. Very healthy breakfast. Eat what makes you full, eat what's good for you, whatever. I'm gonna just squeeze the avocado on here. I'm not like trying to be all perfect or nothing like that. As like toast. I could like load it up with the egg and stuff like that, but I'm not going to. That just sounds like really messy. I watch Sex and the City. Okay, so I was watching Sex and the City, but I honestly want to watch Samantha Joe's new YouTube video. I'm actually going to go ahead and edit yesterday's vlog, because I kind of just want to get that out of the way and post it by 2. It's like 1:40. Actually, so sorry. I want to post this by 2:30. Thumbnail's already done. So I'm going to actually go ahead and edit this before I finish Sam's vlog. Here I go, anxiously checking like my YouTube stats. Okay, I'm going to take some pills. I'm going to pop some pills. I'm just playing. These are 2 Tylenol because I still have a headache. Biotin. And then these are 2 of the ashwagandha pills. Because I really wanted to get back into like taking vitamins besides the Tylenol is not vitamins, babes. And so we're just gonna take them when we remember. Honestly, that's like the best way I can do it. I need to log out of work. I'm about to leave and go DoorDash. Boom. Let's log out. I look really cute today. I did my hair. It's really, really cute. Oh, but y'all see my hair? I think it's really cute. I put them in some little piggies. And then I'm wearing my husband's Nike shirt and I'm wearing these pajama pants. And then I got on these like, hold on, Adidas. I don't need Adidas. And oh, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go make this money, make it do what it do. Do what it do. Do what it do.
I've been watching you.
Before it gets dark, I really want to show you guys these houses. They are so huge, but so pretty. Y'all, this is like 30 minutes from my house. This is Parrish, Florida. Like, okay, we get it. The seatbelt's not on, we get it. I didn't even know these houses existed all the way out here. They're so pretty, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, I'm in love. Look at them. I'm truly in love. Y'all, the sky is so pretty right now. I love this. It's like a pinkish, reddish at the bottom. And okay, so let me tell you what happened. Since I don't have an order right now. Okay, so I had got one order for Jersey Mike subs. So I went to Jersey Mike subs. And then on my way to Jersey Mike subs, I got another order for them. Okay. I don't know why I just told you that. But anyways, y'all like my little pigtails? I think they're cute. But anyways, so when I got the first order, I got a message like from the little DoorDash thing saying like somebody who ordered food was trying to message me. So it's like, that's kind of weird. I literally just got the order, but okay, whatever. So they said, hey, Destiny, what's going on? You're grabbing my son's order from Jersey Mike's. It's for Sean Mack. I said, okay, just received this order. Like, what do you mean what's going on? I literally just got the order, bro. So they said, cool deal. It's for him. He's at the house. He's my 25-year-old lazy son. Is DoorDash a good job for someone his age? So I'm like, what? So I said, I'm 24. I do it on the side. It's pretty good money. They said, gotcha. Well, thanks for grabbing it for him. So then I just put my phone on because it was like, okay, that was really weird that you told me your son is lazy. I don't know. Then I picked my phone back up once I got to Jersey Mike's. And they said, I'm at work. He's at the house. Why he walks around like a nudist when nobody is home and smokes weed, I do not know. It's annoying to me as his father. Heads up, my son is lazy at the house smoking weed, probably walking around like a nudist. If you don't care, handing the order to him would be best. If that makes you uncomfortable, however, you can leave it at the door. Sir, why would I hand somebody some food if you just told me they're going to be naked when I get there? Huh? So I'm like, bro, what? At this point, y'all, I think it was actually the guy that I got the order for that was messaging me, trying to be funny or something. Because I'm like, why would somebody's dad order DoorDash for them if you're 25 and capable of ordering off your phone? And then send me this long, like, I don't know, child. So I said, sir, the food will be on your doorstep respectfully. Because why would I hand this man his food? Naked. Everything out. No. So they said thank you, and that was the end of it. If y'all think I'm lying, this is literally it. Like, pause to read. Yeah, literally. I was just like, what the heck? Like, I have never, I just got another order. But yeah, like, I've never had nobody say no weird junk to me like that. It was just so weird. I don't know. I just thought to share that with you guys. This would be a really cute thumbnail. There's something that I've actually been wanting to try, because I've seen it on TikTok so many times. So let's go try, you know, a little something, a little snack, something like that.
Taco Bell, can I get started for you?
Yes, can I just get the nacho fries?
Is that everything?
Yes.
$2.13 at the window.
Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, so off the bat, they smell good. Y'all, this bag is flaming hot. It's so hot, I feel like they just dropped these and just like, yeah, they're steaming hot, y'all. But that's what we love. That's what we love. We love fresh food. Especially fresh fries. Like, come on, stop playing. Okay. I'm gonna just try a fry by itself. Fresh fry. Okay. Play with the seasoning, y'all. At all. And the cheese is hot. Like, baby. Okay, Taco Bell. I always forget that we have a Taco Bell by our house. I guess that's kind of a good thing because it's not something I need to be eating all the time. But even when I lived close by Taco Bell, I didn't eat it all the time. So, I don't know. Alright, I'm going to try it with some cheese. I swear, y'all, I've never had this. Y'all, why y'all didn't tell me about the nacho fries? They're so hot. It's so good. I hate when people pull up next to me while I'm like doing something, or when I'm vlogging or something. Because I feel like it's always awkward for me, and then I like subconsciously think that they're staring at me, but they're probably really not. But then again, it's like a 90% chance they probably really are. I'm trying to talk to you guys and not eat, because like I don't like when people stare at me when I eat. And I don't know, I'm just like not thinking about it. But yeah, these are fire. I give it a 10 out of 10. The fries are freaking fresh. The nacho cheese is fresh. It's just bussin'. It's just really bussin'. It's just good, yo. So you can see it. You see that? Oh my god. Amazing. I don't know if I'm gonna start DoorDash, but I just want to try that with you guys. Y'all, I'm starting to get addicted. I think I'm gonna do the Bahama Freeze. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking that